Factor the polynomial completely. 4x squared minus 28xy plus 49y squared. Notice first that there's not a greatest common factor to pull out in the front. And next, let's notice that this trinomial seems to fit a special pattern. Our first term is a perfect squared quantity, and our last term is a perfect squared quantity. So let's see if this fits the pattern of a perfect square trinomial. 4x squared is 2x quantity squared. 49y squared is 7y times itself, or 7y quantity squared. And our middle term, negative 28xy, is a negative of 2 times our first term, 2x, and this last piece, 7y. So this fits the perfect square trinomial pattern, which factors as 2x minus 7y quantity squared. Our completely factored form of 4x squared minus 28xy plus 49y squared is 2x minus 7y quantity squared.